Hey guys, welcome to DelfStack, and this is how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So to fix this issue, if you ever encounter it, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to the Start menu into your Windows and just simply search for Control Panel. And now, once you are here, you could just simply go for the Network and Internet. Now, over here, go for Network and Sharing Center. Now, here, you can just simply go ahead and select Ethernet over here or your connection. Now, over here, go for the properties. And now, from here, you can just simply go find Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck this box, select OK, select Close. And after that, when you refresh your page, you should be able to fix the issue. So guys, this simple fix can help you to solve the issue.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.